Hi, I'm James from Spares Direct, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace the door seal on a washing machine. Okay, if your door seal is showing signs of wear and tear, or is dirty, or is leaking, then you're going to need to replace it. And we can show you how in a few simple steps. Okay, so first thing to think about when replacing the door seal on your washing machine is to always turn the power off. We will be going inside the machine with live wires, so always turn the power off first. Okay, what we need to do next is remove the outer retaining band on the door seal. To do this, peel the seal back a little bit, and we should be able to see a little wire there that should just prise off. Obviously being quite gentle with it because we don't want to damage the seal. Obviously that's more applicable on the new seal. And there we go. Once the outer retaining band has been removed, we can unclip the door seal from the outside of the machine. Okay. Once that's done, we need to get to the inner retaining band, which fastens the seal onto the drum. To do this, on this machine, we'll access it from the top. Some machines you can take the front off, and that does make it easier. But the machine we're working on today, we'll show you how to do it from the top. Okay, so like we were saying, on this hot point model, we access the seal from the top. So we need to remove the lid of the machine, which is just a couple of screws at the back. Once they've been removed, the lid should come off. Okay, now we're looking for a similar retaining band to the one we found on the outside of the machine, which we can see from the top here. So the same principle applies. Remove the band, and the seal should come out of the front of the machine. With the clip. The first thing to consider when fitting the new door seal is to make sure the drain holes on the bottom of the seal line up at 6 o'clock, right at the very bottom, to allow the water to drain away. Next, we feed the seal through the front of the machine on this model. And slide the seal over the outer tub part of the drum. Okay, so now we need to replace the lid. Just slots in at the front. And fastens again with the 2 screws at the back. So now we need to replace the outer part of the seal and fold it over the edge of the front of the machine. quite tricky at first, but once you get started, it's not too bad. Okay, there we go. Next we need to put on the outer retaining band. Okay, so that just slides in to the rim of the machine. It's often easier to put the bit in the hinge side first and finish on the part with the spring. Just make sure it's located correctly. And there we go. Okay, and that's how to change a door seal on a washing machine. You can check you've got the right door seal and order it at sparesdirect.com. Thanks for watching.